I'm going to use my canning lids.
Well, that's good.
You know?
That's economical.
It is. Come 12 to a pack. I love the look of the traditional Amish feather. And a lot of times that's what I can do in really big borders to cover a lot of area, but keep a nice feather. You know, instead of doing huge feathers.
So that's what this is going to be.
That's what this is going to be. And it's a smaller little area, but it's a great feather to learn. But first I want to show you how to lay it out.
Okay.
First I want my corners to go around and flip in instead of flipping out. So in order for that to happen, I have to have an uneven amount in between. So I'm going to put 2 canning lids in the corner,
Okay.
a canning lid in the middle, and then depending on the distance you have, here I'm just putting 1, but you could put 2, 3, use all 12 of your canning lids.
Depending on how big your quilt is.
Exactly.